Hi guys, welcome to the Ghost of Bunker YouTube channel, where we post airsoft content of different game areas. Today we are at Red One Chiselhurst rocking the heavy tactical gear loadout. Today we are using the Novritsch SSR-IV as my primary to get some fast and distant shots in, as it's reliable and easy to use out of the box. In this game mode we have to defend certain areas of the map which hold missiles and mortars to prevent the enemy from retrieving. If the enemy succeeds in gathering all material, they will launch the missiles and mortars, leading into game over. We are currently concealed between bushes, giving me a direct sight into their target area. In this event I was stalking a ghillie which pushed me out of my hidden spot into the open to face him head on. After managing to defend the missiles and mortars from the enemy team, we then moved on to defending a close quarters battle area. The enemy has to plant 2 bombs into the compound to win the game. We have to defend the CQB area for as long as possible. We have unlimited lives and have to respawn in a tent behind us. We can also use 3 Kamikaze moves, meaning if the enemy team manages to plant a bomb in our base, we can shout Kamikaze and run with the bomb as far as we can while getting shot continuously by the enemy team. As you can see from the instant of game on, we received heavy contact from all areas, with the enemy deploying large amounts of smoke grenades and flashbangs to try and distract us. Since we managed to hold down the center and left side, I moved over to the right side as heard we are receiving heavy contact and the enemy was pushing forward to get a bomb into our compound. With this information I instantly took to the right side and started to return fire. Now the right side is completely covered. We received new intel that the enemy was pushing the middle again to try and get the bomb in on our left-hand side. I instantly took to the middle to produce cover fire for the guys so we can focus more people on the left. We managed to defend the village and winning the game. We now have moved on to attacking the village and trying to get our 2 bombs inside. Currently on me I have 2 people and our mission is to create a diversion on their right side so a section can run both bombs down the middle into the village.
What's it got?
Since we managed to secure 1 bomb into the village, our plans changed as they wanted to push the last bomb to the left of the enemy. I took advantage of this and pushed down the center with 2 others. We noticed two targets in front of us and waited before engaging. However, seeing a hand appear, the temptation got the better of me and engagement happened instantaneously. After respawning, I decided to take the left-hand side again just to add a bit of pressure. While doing this, I noticed the enemy running using their Kamikaze to remove one of our bombs from the village.
You're in my domain.